Use spackle. Spackle is one of the household products everyone should have at home. It is a quick solution for those tiny cracks or holes that develop on your walls over time. Not only does using spackle immediately cover up the problem, it also prevents these cracks or holes from getting bigger. So the next time you observe a crack appearing in your walls, purchase a can of spackle immediately, and you'll have it fixed in no time. If you want to use spackle for do-it-yourself home repairs, the article below will help you work your way around it. Get the materials you need. First, purchase a can of spackle. Spackle comes in 3 variants. You can purchase the heavy variant, which is also the regular variant, the light variant, and the light-bodied variant, which is actually a combination of the light and heavy variants. Ask the sales assistants for the best variation of spackle for your task. You will also need spackling knives. Make sure that you choose the best size for the knives. You'll need a large one for bigger cracks or holes, and a small one for holes or cracks in more difficult to reach areas. You also need a bunch of clean cloth rags to clean up before and after. You can recycle old shirts for this purpose, so you won't need to spend and purchase these. Prep the area. Before applying spackle, make sure that you clear the hole or crack thoroughly. This will ensure that the spackle will be applied finely and properly to your wall, leaving a smooth consistency. Wipe the area with a damp cloth, and scrub any loose paint or plaster from the area. Do this gently to prevent making the hole or cracks larger. Spackle to the rescue. It's now time to take out your spackle. With a wide, large spackling knife, scoop out an amount of spackle and place it on a piece of cardboard or plastic. Cover the can tightly as soon as you get the amount that you want. Air quickly hardens spackle, so make sure that you maintain its quality by keeping it shut all the time. Get the smaller spackling knife and take a small amount of spackle to apply to the crack. Fill up the crack with spackle using your small spackling knife. Once done, remove any excess spackle by scraping it off from the crack with your knife. Polish your work. Make sure that all excess spackle is removed. Wipe away any that have escaped your notice with a damp cloth. You also have to ensure that your spackling job is done smoothly. Avoid making bumps to give the surface a smooth finish. The secret to working with spackle is to work fast. Since spackle dries very quickly, you should be able to manipulate the material quickly so you can move on to the next layer. Check if your stash of spackle is still pliable. If it is a little stiff or dry, then you might need to buy a new can of spackle already.